is the moment, tonight is the night.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the current Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin has officially dropped under 103,000 zone, which is very important, sitting around 102,000 as of this morning and as of the time of recording. We're going to break down the key Fibonacci levels, EMA structures, RSI to set up to see if the move is just a healthy correction or if Bitcoin might be setting up for a deeper pullback before the next leg up. And that's if we get the next leg up, right? All right, looking at the daily chart here, Bitcoin's trading above 102,000, which lines up almost perfectly with the 382 Fibonacci retracement level of support from this low to the high. The level is acting as a short-term pivot. It's where we've seen buyers try to step in, but there's also selling pressure from that failed breakout around 111,000. Okay. Now, if we look at the EMA ribbons, the 20, 50, 100, and 200, we've got a bit of a mixed signal right now. The 20 EMA is sitting around 107,500. The 50 is sitting at 110,600. Near the 100 is near 111,000, and the 200 is around 108,000. So the price is currently below all four EMAs, which does put Bitcoin in short-term bearish territory. Until Bitcoin can reclaim the 108 to 111,000 range, we're still technically in a downtrend on the daily time frame. However, this also means that if we start closing daily candles back over 107 to 108, the signal could shift. That could signal momentum shifting back to the bulls. It's too early in the morning, but whatever. Now let's talk about support zones. This is where things got interesting because below us is the 0.5 retracement level at 96,522, which lines up perfectly with the previous consolidation zone from late 2024. Okay. That area between 96,000 and 90,000, the 618 retracement, is my main area of support. So like I always say with any other coins and when we look at altcoins, typically when you break the 236382, you do come down and retest the 786, 618 area of support. And that's also if we don't get a bounce from the 0.5, because there's a lot of cases where we did get a bounce from the 0.5. I think last time we got a bounce from the 0.5 before we went up. So really, in my opinion, it's very bullish over the 382, but if the 0.5 breaks, yeah, we're basically coming down for a deeper correction. Okay. But that's just my take on it. If Bitcoin loses 96,000, then the next level I'm watching is around 90,000 even, and potentially 83,000 as a worst case scenario. And then obviously we break that, I'd say, hey guys, pack it up, the bull runs over, and I never made any money in altcoins, so it'll be detrimental and brutal for me. But at least I'll know for next cycle, hey, I'm only buying Bitcoin next cycle. So that's literally what this channel is becoming, okay? I do want to point out that the RSI is now hovering around 40, which tells us we're getting close to oversold territory, meaning we could see a relief bounce soon if buyers defend the 96,000 area. On the flip side, if Bitcoin can hold above 102 and push back, the first area to reclaim is 107 to 111, that zone. If we get a clean break and close above 111, then hallelujah, oh my gosh, best Christmas ever. Then the next FIP to the upside is around 125K, and I do think that once we double top and break out, then beyond that, the chart shows long-term resistance and all-time highs around 139 to 148,000, where the next big move could form if momentum does return. It's a lot of ifs. We have long ways to go to recover. So in short term, Bitcoin's at a make it or break it momentum right now. Watch 102,000 for short-term direction, 96,000 as major support, and 111,000 as the next big resistance. If you're trading in this range, stay patient and let the price action confirm before jumping in. Just my take. If you found the analysis helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, are you buying the dip or are you waiting for a bigger pullback? I don't have any Bitcoin, but my answer to that is I'm waiting for a bigger pullback. The second I know that the bear market's confirmed, I will be dollar cost averaging down, and I will actually have on my daily or weekly, whatever Bitcoin update videos, I'm going to have Robinhood up, and I'm going to start buying $100 when I'm going to start buying $100 at a time on the daily time frame, and then on the weekly time frame it'll be a little bit more, which at that point we'll take a look at, and we'll have the next 2 years to do so. Okay. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I will see you in the next one.